In this video, I explain how to omit else block from if-elif statement. Python does not require every time the else block at the end of if-elif chain. You can use more than elif statements according to your choice. Sometimes an else block is useful and sometimes it is not useful, and you can use additional elif block in the place of else statement. So here we solve an example. Example is about the ticket of people of different age group in a park. Suppose our variable is age, which is assume 3. Start from if statement. As you know, it is start from if statement, and if statement is in small letters. Age less than 4 colon enter. Here is already indent, so write here in indent price for less than 4, which is 0. Elif. Now we impose another condition. If age is less than 18, price is equal to $5. Elif age less than 65, price is equal to $10. Enter. Elif. And fourth condition is age is greater than equal to 65. Price is equal to $3. Now we print our answer. Here use print statement. Your admission cost is shift dollar is dollars plus string price dot, and now click on run to run our code. Here, as you can see, admission cost is $0 because our age is 3. So in this statement we also use here in else. In my last video about use multiple elif block, I use here else statement, and the same example is same. I use here else statement. So you can state else, otherwise greater than 65 the price is 3. But if you cannot use else statement, you can use elif statement, because here is you have choice. You can use else or elif. There is no necessary condition to use else statement. So suppose age is 10. Run. Your admission cost is $5 because it lies in this block. In this block, age is less than 18, greater than 4 and less than 18. Suppose our age is 39. So it lies in this block. Less than 65, greater than 18, so the cost is $10. And now suppose age is 72. Hit on run command. Your admission cost is $3 because it is greater than 65. So we use print command for your admission cost is dollar plus string mean price, it take here price, and this dot here is dot $3. If you want to see videos on using multiple elif blocks, what is if and elif statement, what is if statement, then click the link in front of your screen. Thanks for watching.